Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Instagram account using the connect method with BitSocial. Let's begin. First, navigate to the account section. Then click on the connect account button. Here, you see different types of social media platforms. Now select Instagram. There are two options for connecting an Instagram account in BitSocial. Now click on the connect button under Instagram. Now log in to your Facebook account. Then choose the pages you want to access in BitSocial. Click on Continue. Next, choose the Instagram accounts you want to access in BitSocial. Click on Continue. Finally, click on the Save button. Your Instagram account will be displayed in the pop-up. Now click on the Save button. You will see an Instagram account connected in the BitSocial account section. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.